Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Other people hear a higher version of your voice than you do because you are hearing it resonate through your bones. It's physically impossible to hum while pinching your nose. Vikings had great hygiene and used tweezers, razors, combs, and ear cleaners made from animal bones and antlers. They also bathed once a week. The part of a brain responsible for exercising judgment becomes less active when looking at a photo of someone we love. Inuit communities resolve disputes through song duels. Individuals in conflict compose satirical songs and perform them before the entire camp in igloos. The audience's reaction determined the winner, restoring harmony. Nervous laughter, tears of joy, and wanting to squeeze something because it's too cute are examples of dimorphous expressions, your brain's attempt at trying to regulate an intense emotion. Taking a nap can counteract impulsive behavior and boost your tolerance for frustration. Sony is developing groundbreaking technology to let PlayStation players experience in-game sense in real life. Not responding or not greeting people you encounter is considered rude in Grenada. When you encounter locals, you are expected to exchange a greeting and to respond to other people who might exchange a kind salutation. Airport runway numbers actually indicate direction on a compass. Pennies cost more to produce than they are worth. After eating a bunch of candy bars, not only may a ripe peach no longer taste as sweet on your tongue, but your brain down regulates dopamine receptors to compensate for the repeated jolts of fat and sugar. Farming animals is incredibly inefficient. It uses 83% of agricultural land but provides just 18% of our calories. The Maldives is the lowest country in the world. Diver replacing the American flag at Pearl Harbor, Hawaii Island. This gets done every 3 years. Traffic lights came first in 1868. Stop signs debuted in 1915. This is the most up-to-date picture of a single human cell taken under a microscope. A is the most commonly used letter in the English language. This is a fire station in Italy, looks like a superhero base. What we eat determines what kind of bacteria we foster the growth of in our gut, which can increase or decrease our risk of some of our leading killer diseases. Nirmala Sitharaman, she is India's first female finance minister. China's floating magnetic train can reach 600 km per hour or 372 m per hour while being silent. Collaborative video games increase office productivity. A new study found newly formed work teams experienced a 20% increase in productivity after playing video games together for just 45 minutes. A door to hell in the desert forms from natural gas and lasts for 300 years. Orcas can have an IQ of 110. Their wave hunting technique is 95% successful. Ocean waves can travel 5 kilometers, 3 miles from the beach underground. Georgian business tycoon Bidzina, who made his billions through banking, real estate, He lives in a clear glass house. In addition to his glass house, he owns a zoo that he keeps in the Georgian village. He is also the owner of one of the most expensive art collections. His art collection is estimated to be worth $1 billion. Moving a plane from the factory to the airport takes 8 weeks and $700,000. You can train your brain to form good habits like going to the gym and eating healthily simply by repeating actions until they stick, regardless of how much satisfaction you get from it, according to new research using computer simulations of digital rodents. Dubai Princess car with $10 million suspension system can jump 150 meter 450 feet. Saudi billionaire Turki bin Abdullah has a fleet of cars: Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe, Mercedes Jeep, Lamborghini Aventador, Super Veloce and gold Bentley. All of the exotic motors are wrapped in gold vinyl with a model for every occasion. $28 billion of passenger bags are lost at the airport every year. Nicholas, who made his fortune investing in various hotels and department stores, he was known as the homeless billionaire. He once had fancy homes and priceless art on his walls. After some decades, he started to feel dissatisfied with having so much stuff, so he sold his houses. Michael Faraday, born on September 22, 1791, in Newington Butts, England. Faraday discovered of electromagnetic induction laid the foundation for modern electrical engineering, enabling the creation of generators and transformers. Faraday invented the first electric motor and dynamo, sparking the era of electricity and transforming how we power our world. Faraday's concept of the Faraday's cage demonstrate how electric fields interact with conductive materials, protecting us from electrical surges and hazards. Nothing is too wonderful to be true if it be consistent with the laws of nature. Thanks for watching.